green color, red color, blue color, black color, yellow ochre color, and yellow color. So kids, now you draw A and use green color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. T for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use blue color. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Kids, now you draw numbers. And first you draw 1 and use black color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color, and yellow color. So kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F, the alphabets of F, and use blue color. F for fish. G for goat. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I, the alphabets of I, and use green color. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N, the alphabets of N, and use black color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R red color, yellow color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. So kids, now you draw 1 and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use green color. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use black color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.